What up? Y'all saw the thumbnail. I know you did. Your girl got that exclusive access and hit on the Royal Toe ones. Yes, I did. So guess what I'm about to do? I'm about to give y'all this review and on foot and let y'all decide if y'all gonna pick these shoes up. Yes, it's your girl 313 Retro Queen, and I am here. How fitting is it that Nike would bless your girl 313 Retro Queen with the exclusive early access to the Royal Toe ones, baby? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Y'all know what we about to do, so I'm about to get ready to grab this. I don't even want to wait. We about to jump off into this review, and then I'm gonna hit y'all with an on foot. So here we have this beautiful box. Yes, with the ones. It is a Nike box. Straight from Nike themselves. There we go. This is my size 6. It is a GS edition of the what? Royal Toe ones, baby. Yes, you have it. Y'all see it. Air Jordan 1 High Royal Toes. Yes, it's giving me all kind of vibes right now, right? So here we go. We're going to break this shoe down. There you go. You got that outsole, royal blue. You got that midsole, knocking it out with that beautiful white. You got the heel wrapped around in black leather up here. You got the collar, the ankle collar up there wrapped around in black also with the royal blue underlaying it. Then you got this white Wings logo here looking all dope and fresh. You got the lace holes, all that's trimmed in black all the way down to wrap around the front of the toe, all black. Then you got this black swoosh on the side here with the white underneath it, just so you can see that these bad boys do come with an extra set of laces, and they are royal blue. I'm gonna sit here and drop this on foot for y'all, but if y'all were able to cop this on the early access, let me know. Was it hard for you? Did you get to cop? Did you miss out? And if you did not get early access, will you be going after this shoe on Saturday? Let your girl know. 313 Retro Queen, about to hit y'all with this on foot. I'm out.